right, we're gonna do a 3-minute energetic reset starting now. Take a deep breath in and out. Tap right here by your hand. This is gonna help release grief, heartbreak, disappointment. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the top of the head. This is going to help you release looping thoughts, anxiety, overthinking. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay, we're going to go to the inner eyebrow. Good. This is where we're going to release frustration and anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We're going to go to the outside of the eye. Good. This is where we're releasing frustration and anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Going under the eye. This is where we're going to release control. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And under the nose. Good. This is where we're connecting the mind and the body. Good. I feel that energetic reset and the energy's flowing down the spine. Good. Let's go under the lip. Take a deep breath in and out. We want the exhale longer than the inhale. Good. This is where we're releasing where we haven't spoken our truth to ourselves or others. Let's go here where we're under the collarbone. Good. This is helping to release fear. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay, center of the chest. Good. This is where we're offering ourselves a little bit more love and compassion. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And on the sides, got the left and the right. On the right, we're releasing anger, and on the left is worry. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Good. Take your hands, place them over your heart. Hold it there for 20 seconds. Good. This is like giving yourself a hug. We need 8 hugs a day to help us thrive. Good. You can do this as often as you like throughout the day, and this will help to put you into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we rest, digest, and heal. All right, I love you. Have a great day.